pitching the flag forward and leading the charge? What are your personal point of view?
Okay, so I think women are there in the IT for quite some time, but taking that step to a leadership level or taking that, I would say the dayness to take that leadership level that's something missing as of today. There are a couple of leaders already there. I think all of the women who are there in the IT industry, tech industry should look up to these women who have already been there. I've seen a lot of videos around these women talking about how we could come up in the ladder, move to this level. So I think do follow them. There are a lot of videos available, there are a lot of things available where we could learn, upskill ourselves, wherever the area we are backing, and then take up this. I think.
And what do you think Minfy should do? How can Minfy help support this initiative?
That's an interesting question. I would talk to HR on this. But yes, HR. So our HR is a head HR is a lady, and they are taking a lot of initiatives to understand a woman in Minfy, their main problems, what are the problems they are facing. One-to-one session 2 happens at Minfy. But what Minfy can do, they are hiring a lot of women employees recently, which I have noticed. And I think it's the right time they could identify the ladies who could take up the next step and maybe assign the responsibility accordingly.